is it?
This is a doggy. A pillow pet. Cake name, Pop.
You're welcome.
What is it?
A pillow pet.
It's a pillow. It's a pet. It's a... And what kind is it?
Woof.
A doggy.
Yeah.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Oh, how did Nanny and Pop know that?
Cause I called him.
You
He
told them.
He told them.
What's your doggy's name?
Doggy.
Oh.
Another doggy.
What's your pillow pet's name?
Dog. How about I name him Doggy too?
Doggy too?
Doggy.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Two. Woof.
How do you make... See, that's a pillow. How do you turn him into a pet?
Let's do this. Pet. Oh, I can do it. I know how. You see, I know how. I can. I know.
Did it come apart?
Let Daddy say, hon.
Thank you, Nanny, Pop.
Oh, that's just the cover. If you don't want it to, you can cover it so the Velcro doesn't
You're welcome, baby.
stick.
Um,
It's a pet.
Thank you, Daddy and Mommy.
Well,
Well, no,
Nanny got
Nanny
it.
and Pop.
Mommy and Pop. Cake. I'll put that up in my room. Come on, Dad.